All electrical connections must be in accordance with local codes, ordinances, and the National Electric Code. This product operates on 24-volt DC. Always confirm the maximum wattage of the fixture does not exceed the maximum wattage of the circuit it is connected to. If you are unfamiliar with methods of installing electrical wiring, secure the services of a qualified licensed electrician. Before installation, turn off power at main fuse box or disconnect power plug from outlet. Follow all instructions in the video. JESCO Lighting Group, LLC shall not be responsible or liable for any damage, injury, or loss resulting from the installation or use of JESCO lighting products as demonstrated in this video. By proceeding with the installation, you acknowledge and accept these terms and release. Remove screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Then, remove the covers. Loosen the screws on the termination block with a 1/8-inch slot screwdriver. Insert 24-volt input wires to the input termination block. Red wire to the positive terminal and insert the black or white wire to the negative terminal. Use a 1/8 slotted screwdriver to secure the wires inserted. For plug and play option, connect the DLPS-PTM to the termination block. Red wire to the positive terminal and insert the black or white wire to the negative terminal. Use a 1/8 slotted screwdriver to secure the wires inserted. Install the input cover back on with a Phillips screwdriver. LED strip with soldered ends cannot be used with the connector. Cut off section with solder, then peel back the double-sided tape to about 1/2 inch. Wrap the tips of pliers with electrical tape. Slide LED strip into the connector, make sure the black wire matches the plus sign on the LED strip. Use the pliers with wrapped tips and clamp down on the connector to secure the LED strip, making sure all the metal contact pins are flush against the top of the connector for a good connection. Loosen the screws on the termination block with a 1/8-inch slot screwdriver. Insert the 4 wires to the output termination block. Black wire to plus, red wire to R, green wire to G, and blue wire to B. Use a 1/8 slotted screwdriver to secure the wires inserted. Insert 3 AAA batteries to the remote controller. Provide 24-volt power to the receiver. Press the program button on the receiver, then immediately press the power button on the remote controller to pair the devices. Once pair, the LED strip should blink. Swipe across the color wheel on the controller to adjust the color on the LED strip to ensure all the color channels are connected correctly. Install the output cover back on with a Phillips screwdriver.